This is the single monitor mechanical stand. This monitor stand supports one monitor up to 32 inches and the weight capacity of this monitor stand is 8 to 9 kg. The best part of this monitor stand is it has all kinds of movement. You can move the monitor side to side. You can also move it behind and ahead. So it is every kind of movement is possible because there is an extension arm which is coming from the rod towards the monitor. So you can move it anyways. There are three types of movement. You can move it from this hinge. You can move it from this hinge as well. And you can move it from the monitor as well. You can also keep it folded towards the pole as per your convenience. So it has all kinds of movements. It is also height adjustable across the pole. If you want to adjust the height, you need to loosen the screw and it can be adjusted at any length across the pole. This monitor stand also has tilt facilities available. So if you want to have a slight tilt for your optimum viewing angle, you can also do that. Then there is also rotation. So if you want to move your monitor in landscape or portrait mode, that can also be done. The best part of this monitor stand is also clears up a lot of desk space. When you place your monitor onto the desk, it takes up a lot of your desk space and you have less space for yourself. But this monitor stand takes up only this small space for clamping at the edge, so your entire desk gets cleared up. And also ergonomically it is the correct posture to view the monitor because it has less effect on your back and your neck. It can be clamped at the edge of the desk or it can be drilled at any position on the desk as well. So that freedom of movement is there and installation as well. Also for cable management, we have cable managers across the pole as well as the arm. So all your cables go neatly and they are not hanging anywhere loose. Thank you.